Okay, so what you're going to do is you're in Aware, you get in Assessments, you click Create New Teacher Test, and it depends on if you're just wanting the answer key or if you want to put it in so that they can print it out and it looks like a STAR test. I usually do a new blank test. You click Next. Give it a title. So I'm just going to call it Test. Test. You need to pick your grade level, so you're going to go down to 6th. Next. You're going to pick the TEKS. Okay. Then you're going to click Finish when this is done. And it's going to pop up to this. Okay, from here is where you're going to change the pass rates, all that good stuff. On curriculum, we already have it in there. This is where you add the questions. So when you click Add Question, it's going to ask you what type of question. So a selected response, a numeral response, a constructor response, or a resource. A resource is if you're going to copy and paste like a passage. Okay? So do the selected response, and it pops up like this. So you put in, you know, blah, 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 and then you have your different responses, and you're going to, this tells you which one's the correct, this over here tells you which one is the correct response or not. If it is one that is supposed to have more than one answer, hold on. If it needs more than one answer, then you're going to go into the margins and fix that to where it is how many answers. Then you're going to pick whatever the TEK is, so you can pick up to 2. So if it's a figure 19, you'll go to a secondary standard. You'll pick your second standard, select it, and then finish. Okay. This is if you're going to do online testing. But again, on the general, here it is. And that's all you do. Then when you go to do another question, you just click Add Question and do it again. It tells you what your standard is and all that. When you're done, you click Save. And then at the very end, when you are good to share it, you can share it with your team if you've created a team of teachers, or you can put in each person that you're going to share with. It's nice when you have it in a team because then you can do a single report to show everybody. Once you hit active, you cannot change anything on the test. You can't go in and change any of the answer choices or anything like that. So you got to make sure that the test is good before you make it active.